Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and when the turn off menu appears, you just hold down your finger on power off. Then it proposes you to reboot to safe mode, tap OK, and your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. If you want to quit safe mode, just restart your TCL. Oh no, not power off. But this one will work too. Then just turn it back on and it will be on in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.